Welcome to the course Basics of English for Beginners. My name is Fatih Korhan Sharif. I'm an English tutor and have taught many students all over the world for over 5 years. I teach English for academic and professional purposes. I've been teaching on Udemy for many years. I do my best to create online English courses for my students with methods that anyone can easily try so that they can learn and improve their English. In this course, you can find all the basics of the English language that you need to start learning English and getting better at it. This course can also be very helpful if you're trying to get better scores in English lessons at your school, or if you're thinking of applying for a better job that requires a good knowledge of English. In this course, you will learn the basics of the English language, the sentence structure of the English language, how to build sentences in English, basic grammar rules, and punctuation rules. This course also includes 6 hours of valued learning, 108 downloadable resources, and 2 practice tests. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and see you in the class.